Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another watch me work recreation of a Pinterest set of nails. So this is all you're going to need for the set. These are all the colors I'm using, kind of like a rainbow variety of colors. And also this is the base coat that I use for pretty much every one of my sets that I do that requires a neutral base. I'll go ahead and link it below so that you guys can check it out for yourselves. I think it's so perfect and it's really affordable. So this is the set that I'm trying to recreate. It's giving 90s baddie, 90s diva, Y2K-esque, kind of vibe. So I wanted to recreate this set just to challenge myself and try a different variety of designs because I feel like I just do French tips a lot and I feel like I'm getting very tired of that. So I wanted to give myself a little bit of a challenge and something that was different. So obviously I'm just going in with this base coat. I'm just doing one coat of this color because I'm going to go on top and use a more rosy pink color to kind of set it off and make it look more pink rather than neutral. So I'm going to go in with just one coat of each of those for my base. So I'm not sure if I did this the easiest way. I probably did it in a way that was more difficult than it needed to be, but I just took a flat brush and used it to apply my different colors. I kind of just went in following the color pattern that was on the picture and just applied them in a French tip style, but not, a perfect French tip. I kind of just made little blobs of these colors and just covered the tip with these colors. Once I got all of the tips of the nails colored and just all looking the same, looking pretty good, I went in with my black gel polish and just used my daughter tool and a fine line brush to make kind of this traditional 90s looking design. So just kind of like little flares of almost like blades of grass. I don't really know how to explain it. That's what it kind of looks like to me. But doing that all over and then balancing it out with some just dots kind of going around in random patterns. I do this on all of the nails, and then I also go in with white and do the exact same thing. First part of it, I did Only for some nails I went in with the colors that I use for the tips, kind of like the light blue and I think the pink on some nails, and kind of made those similar brush strokes and dots, only on a few though, because I just didn't want it to be too busy and I wanted you to be able to see what was going on. So trying to replicate the photo as much as possible, but also just kind of making it look as natural and pretty as possible. Once the top coat is applied, you're going to go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds or until fully cured. So this is what my nail set turned out like. I think it looks really nice. It looks very similar to me to the photo that I referenced. I'm really happy with how it turned out, but if you guys have any questions, comments, or critiques, be sure to leave them down in the comment section below. And this set will be available for purchase on my website. I'll be sure to leave that link in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost at 600 subscribers, so be sure to join the crew and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.